All right, here we are in calibration. Let's now teach Sensie to read your nervous system. You're going to choose here first either a positive or negative emotion, whatever state you're currently in, something easy to feel, whatever you're currently in, the easiest one to access. And then you're going to do the gesture 3 times, 3 separate samples while holding that feeling. You want to express that feeling in the gesture. Don't perform it, just let it be present. Then you'll do a breathing exercise where you're going to do a light little breath, the clear state. And next, you're going to choose the next emotion. So if you did negative the first time, do positive the second, or vice versa, wherever you are. And so if you pick a next emotion, whatever that is, allow that to be embodied, to be felt, and express that in the gesture 3 samples. So 3 separate times. This is going to give Sensie your contrast, really your range between ease and tension. There's really no right or wrong answer here. Your body already knows how these states feel. You're just letting it show. You're letting it show you. Okay, begin calibration.